Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are trading US dollars versus Swiss francs. Let's see how much we can grow this account here. I will use support become resistance strategy. This strategy is high profitable strategy. You will find the playlist of this strategy in this channel, which will let you know that we can generate good profit again and again with the same strategy. Now I am applying all the trades. See you guys after some time. Guys, we are currently running a loss of more than $400. We have $4,900 in this account, which needs to be grown. I have followed proper risk management in this trade because only proper risk management in trading can help a small account grow. Now let me explain you why I placed a sell trade here, because the market is moving downwards, forming a downtrend pattern, where we have got a very good selling opportunity. Here first of all I will create a downtrend channel. On this trend line the market is moving downwards, creating proper resistance points. The market is still very close to this trend line from where we may see a good downward move. The second trend line will be connected by lower low points at the same angle where the market is creating support points on this trend line. Whenever the market comes to the downtrend line, the market moves upwards. Currently the market is moving in this downtrend channel. Now we will draw strong reversal level. The market has respected this level very well, which gives us an idea of the exact position of the market. The market first took support here and later broke this level and created resistance points, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. High percentage chance the market will go down from here, because the market is following all our levels well, due to which we are confident that the market will go down from here. Our technical analysis work is complete here. Now we place stop loss and target point, which is most important. Here my stop loss will be 15 pip above the strong support resistance level and outside the downtrend channel. If a trendline breakout happens here, then a very good buying opportunity will be created here, and the target point will be 30 pip below. The market has already reached this level, but it reversed upwards due to trendline support. Here my risk to reward ratio is 1:2. Guys, still our loss is running above $400. Let's see when this loss converts into profit. If the stop loss is hit here, then it doesn't matter. Loss is a part of this game. Guys, all our work is complete. Now we will wait to see what reward the market gives us. We have done the analysis correctly from our side. Now we don't know how the market will react to this setup. We will not close the trade in between until either the stop loss or target point is hit. Always keep your psychology strong, because big targets can be hit only with strong psychology. If you like this video, then please like it. See you guys later.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in.
Very nice guys, the market has moved towards the downside, creating a proper resistance point. Our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which the market has respected our level. The market is still following this downtrend channel. Until the market breaks this trend channel, only selling opportunity will be created here, because here the market is in a strong downtrend trend. Our target point was at this point, which has been hit. Currently the market is moving around our target level. Now I will do further analysis and tell you where the market can reverse, so that we will know about the next move of the market in advance. The market is taking support multiple times at this level, due to which a very strong support level has been created here. Now two conditions have been created here. In the first condition, the market will break this level and go down. If this does not happen, then in the second condition the market will again create support points and move upwards. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Always follow your rules in the market. Only then you can become a profitable trader. Guys, we are making very good profit, which is around $8,500. We had $4,900 in this account, which we have grown to $14,191. Here we have followed all our rules properly, due to which we have got very good results. Always follow the same strategy. If you keep changing the strategy, then you will always incur loss. If you like this video, then please like and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.